The PG resolved as follows. 1. That the Justice, Legal and Constitutional Affairs Committee of the National Assembly hearings against the 4 IBC commissioners is a lynch mob, a hired hit squad, and an illegality with a predetermined position. We don't recognize it and won't recognize or honor its findings. Instead, we will fight it to the bitter end, in and outside the House. Our stand remains that the focus on the 4 commissioners is not about 2022 elections. It's about 2027 elections, whose rigging the Ruto regime is putting in place in 2022. To this end, we have decided to reschedule the start of our public engagements from tomorrow, the 30th of November 2022, to the 7th of December 2022, due to the ongoing national examinations. We have listened keenly to the appeals of parents and our school-going children, and we have decided to obey their wishes.